Hello guys, this is Gayatri Negi and I'm an intern in Lexis & Company watching Lex Click. In this video, I will talk about LLP agreements. What is a LLP agreement? Basically, an LLP agreement is a written contract between the LLP and its designated partners. This agreement establishes the rights and duties of the designated partners towards each other as well as toward the LLP. It is compulsory to execute and file the LLP agreement with the Ministry of Corporate Affairs within 30 days of the incorporation of the LLP. It creates the foundation for the smooth running of the LLP. It defines the concept for decision making, adding a new partner or leaving existing partners or changing in roles of anyone. So the LLP agreements acts as a backbone to strengthen the firm of LLP. It works as a guide that provides directions to LLP registration. What are its types? Basically, there are mainly two types of LLP agreements, that is equal rights LLP or differential rights LLP. An equal rights LLP where all partners contribute equal capital, time and energy in the LLP, whereas in differential rights LLP, partners have different amounts of contribution in terms of the capital, time and energy. What are the contents of an LLP agreement? It must contain name of the LLP, date of the agreement and parties to the agreement, introductory provisions, place of business, business activity, duration, account and auditing, partners contribution and method of contribution, record keeping and bank arrangement, allocation and distribution, disassociation of partners right to records, management and fiduciary duty, arbitration and general provisions and other provisions that are necessary. So this was all about LLP agreement from my side. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching.